All right, there's a lot of hoopla today on campus, and you guys have a sign out here, meat is not green.
Yep, that's right.
All right, so what do you think of this? Do you think that there's definitely a change coming, or what's your feeling about that?
We're getting a lot of people on campus to start changing, going vegetarian. And right now, Meat's Not Green is all about the environment, the global gassing and the emissions that are sent out because of the meat marketing industry.
Right.
And the factorizing of meat, how it's no longer about farming and how it's about factories. So that's mainly what we're going for.
Right. So do you think that this all ties together during this election season? Is this like all part of the big change that people are craving?
Yeah, I think so. I think we're trying to get a lot of change on this campus in a lot of different ways. And this is our way of bringing about a little change.
Great. And today's the first day of early voting?
Yeah.
So,
I'll be down there in a few.
All right. Sounds good. And what is your name?
My name's Caitlin.
Thank you, Caitlin.
You're welcome.